YouTube. New Guitar Day. What you see here is a used 2013 U.S. Strat. Candy apple red. It's a little dinged up, scraped up. Maple board. Fat headstock. Missing the, I think they have that backwards. I believe they have that backwards. It's a little bit of rust. It's going to be replaced anyways. Just clean it up essentially. Yeah, it's a little buckle rash kind of thing going on. Still looks alright. Got the old clip-on lock, shaller. Looks like we got what looks to be like a pistachio shell. Notice some glue. Looks like they use some wood glue in this string tray here. It's a 5-way. Clean, pretty smooth. It's a homemade little amp made back in 2007. What it is, it used an alarm box. And I gutted it and put in a new circuit. It's a Ruby amp, same kind of circuit as that little smoky cigarette pack amp, same thing. And I added 2 more speakers. It's all good in that department.